to One Hot Bite. Melissa here. We are on day 10 of our holiday cookies. This is almost our last cookie. Today we are gonna make a cardamom almond cookie. These are super simple. They're spicy. That cardamom is so holiday seasoning, holiday spice. These are delicious and yummy. So thank you so much for being here and bearing with my everyday cookies. I promise I won't do this all the time. This is so fun though. This has been a great time to get back with you guys and make some fun stuff. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe down below, smash that like button. Let's get making these cookies. Everything is better with butter, so we are gonna add butter to this as well as sugar. Again, I'm making half a recipe on this, so the entire recipe for 2 dozen cookies is down below. So blend together your sugar and your butter and make that super creamy. We're gonna add an egg as well. We're using whole eggs in this recipe, where some of my others you've seen I've used just egg white. We're gonna blend that nicely and it makes a super creamy, yummy mixture. Let's bring together our dry ingredients. So this is half whole wheat flour, half regular flour, a little bit of baking soda, cinnamon, cardamom. Mix those together before we add them to our wet ingredients. It smells so good. These spices are the best. After you get that blended, we're gonna add a little tiny bit of almond extract. That's where that almond's gonna come into play for these almond cardamom cookies. Blend that together nicely, adding our flour. And this is gonna be a very, very sticky dough. So I'm gonna put some plastic wrap down. We're gonna turn our dough out onto this plastic wrap. We need it to chill a little bit in order to form it into balls. So just kind of goop it on there, form it into a ball. We're gonna chill it for about 1 to 2 hours. Meanwhile, we're gonna put together a little bit of sugar and a little bit of cardamom, because we're gonna create this crystallization on top by rolling this dough in this yummy little mixture on top. I feel like this helps in the baking process too. So again, that cardamom is such a great holiday spice. Smells so good. So after we've chilled this for about an hour or 2, I did chill mine for almost 2 hours. We're gonna pull it out, pull off pieces. We're gonna make 1-inch balls, and we're gonna roll it in that cardamom sugar, place it on a baking sheet prepared with either parchment paper, and you're gonna bake 325 for 15 minutes. And we just smashed these cookies. They're super great. These have that little bit of almond. You can use a little bit of almond paste or the almond extract. I opted for the extract. I don't love a lot of almond in my cookies, so these were just super simple, but aren't they beautiful? They turned out really nice. And you can see, I don't know if you guys can see the spices that are on it. They are really pretty, but let's give him a taste. I'm gonna break him up for you so you can see he's soft, not dry at all. These are good. They remind me of a sugar cookie or like a snickerdoodle. But they're not so sweet. These are almost savory. They do have a little sweet to it, but this is a great, if you're not a huge cookie lover where you really love super deep sweet stuff, this is your cookie. It's very savory. It's like like I say, it's like a mild snickerdoodle cookie. This is a really great cookie. Thank you guys so much for cooking with me again today, and I will see you guys tomorrow.